Day 7 of the Master Cleanser. Wow, what a journey. I can tell you that this morning I woke up really tired, almost to where you can't move your legs and arms. It was an effort to go walk the dogs. But I made sure I had my Master Cleanser right away, and by midday, a few hours later, I was feeling a lot better. And I believe that was because of, again, not eating, but also I had done exercise, working out for a few days in a row, and I believe that pushed out a little bit more waste. And anytime I work on somebody lymphatically a few days in a row, they are very tired, they can't get out of bed, they may get depressed. So again, when we remove a lot of this waste, it interferes with our normal bodily function, and again, we have no energy. And again, I felt better by the end of the day or middle of the day. I am getting a little more detox reactions. I have a lymph node here that swelled up. It's kind of painful. This is the same side of the head that I'm getting pimples on. So it shows me that this side of my body is a little bit more congested, full of waste. And that makes sense to me because I had surgery on this side many decades ago, and the shoulder repair has failed, so my shoulder drops a little bit. So I know that side fills up with a little bit more waste. So again, it's just amazing that, again, as I'm cleaning gently, my body is getting congested. Even my tongue, still a little white, nowhere near what it was on the first day, but it shows that we're still continually cleaning little by little. Our body is moving stuff out. And again, with the lymphatic system, it just doesn't go to the garbage. It recirculates. The lymph flow just moves through your body, comes up into your neck here, and then gets pushed out into the blood supply. So that's why this waste has to recycle and go through the normal route of elimination. So again, I'm doing really good. I've even felt some tightness in my tongue. My tongue would tend to get a little bit full at times. So again, I felt that the other day. And even my foot, the ball of my foot got damaged in a karate tournament 30 years ago, and wow, it's really it's having some difficulty with walking. It really is sore, and to me that's waste moving out of that has probably been buried in there for a long time. So hopefully I'll feel a lot better after this is done, meaning after all this waste has moved through my body. But remember, we're always filling up with waste. Every day 500 million cells die in your body, so we have to think about cleaning up on an everyday basis, not just doing these big master cleanses all the time. All right, so again, I'm feeling pretty good. Have been waking up tired, really tired this morning, but once I had my master cleanser, I felt really good. All right, anything else? I don't think so. We'll let you know how you're doing tomorrow, which is day 8.